Hey guys, what's up? And in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a pretty cool card move that I made up myself. Comment down below what you think the card move should be named, and I'll pin the best comment and put it on the title. Performance looks like this. Pick a card, any card. So guys, I hope you like that in performance, and the tutorial is coming right up. So how you do this magic trick is you're just dropping the cards onto your lap. So pretty much what you're doing is getting them to pick a card. You get their card, you pick their card, and then you control it to the top. The control I just did right there, and what I did in the performance I'll have a link to down in the description. And so after that, just do a riffle shuffle. Make sure keep the card on top, and then go like this so their card is right there, and then as you square it up, you're going to hold the top card, but you're going to drop the rest of the cards into your lap and try and get it on the table so it's 100% seamless. Riffle shuffle, keep their card on top, square it up, drop the deck of cards, and then retain the last card. That's pretty much how you do it. There's a giveaway coming up, so subscribe, turn on those notification bells, comment that you've done that. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and have a great day.